Hello, my name is Megan. Today I will be your guide through this video about how to embrace the 100-hour rule and to unlock your potential. We all have dreams, aspirations that dance like flickering flames within us. What if I told you that you could acquire almost any skill, realize any ambition within a mere 100 hours? This isn't a gimmick. It's the power of focused effort, the magic of the 100-hour rule. Jesse Itzler, entrepreneur and author of Living with a SEAL, embarked on a life-altering challenge. He invited a Navy SEAL, known for his superhuman resilience, to live with him for a month. The catch? He had to complete every grueling workout the SEAL threw at him. This experience ignited a fire in Itzler, leading him to formulate the 100-hour rule. The premise is strikingly simple. Dedicate 2.7 hours a day for just over a month to intensely focus on a single skill. This concentrated effort, free from distractions, can lead to remarkable progress, allowing you to break through plateaus and unlock hidden potential. The 100-hour rule isn't about instant mastery. It's about intentional, consistent effort, about proving to yourself that you are capable of far more than you think. If you are finding this inspiring, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the Momentum Mentoring YouTube channel for more transformative content. Deconstructing mastery, one step at a time. The beauty of the 100-hour rule lies in its simplicity and adaptability. It's not about cramming information or forcing progress. It's about breaking down seemingly insurmountable tasks into manageable chunks. This approach transforms overwhelming goals into stepping stones, each one leading you closer to your desired outcome. First, choose a skill you're passionate about, something that genuinely excites you. This passion will fuel your dedication, making the journey enjoyable and rewarding. Then, deconstruct the skill into smaller, more manageable sub-skills. For example, if you dream of playing the guitar, start with basic chords, then strumming patterns, gradually progressing to more complex techniques. Each small victory, each mastered sub-skill, fuels your motivation, propelling you forward on your journey. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is mastery. Embrace the process, celebrate the small wins, and watch as you steadily chip away at your goals, one step at a time. Goal clarity, your North Star to success. Imagine embarking on a journey without a destination in mind. You might wander aimlessly, never truly reaching your full potential. The same principle applies to skill acquisition. Without a clearly defined goal, your efforts become scattered, lacking direction and purpose. Before you dive headfirst into your 100-hour challenge, take the time to define your why. Why is this skill important to you? What do you hope to achieve by mastering it? Write down your goals with crystal clear clarity, making them specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity serves as your compass, guiding your actions and keeping you on track amidst challenges. When you feel your motivation waning, revisit your goals. Remind yourself of the why behind your efforts. This renewed sense of purpose will reignite your passion, propelling you forward on your path to mastery. Crafting your 100-hour blueprint. With a clear goal in sight, it's time to create a roadmap for your 100-hour journey. This involves scheduling dedicated time slots in your day for focused practice. Consistency is key, so treat these practice sessions as non-negotiable appointments with yourself. Break down your available time into manageable chunks, aiming for at least 30 minutes per session. Remember, quality trumps quantity. It's better to have shorter, highly focused sessions than longer periods of distracted practice. Experiment with different times of day to find what works best for you. Some individuals thrive in the quiet solitude of early mornings, while others find their focus peaks in the evenings. The key is to identify your peak performance times and structure your practice sessions accordingly. By incorporating this structured approach, you transform good intentions into concrete actions, paving the way for consistent progress. Distractions are the enemy of progress, especially in our hyper-connected world. During your dedicated practice sessions, Create a distraction-free environment to maximize your focus and absorption. Silence your phone, close irrelevant tabs on your computer, and inform those around you of your need for uninterrupted time. Focused practice involves actively engaging with the material, not just passively going through the motions. It's about pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone, identifying weaknesses, and seeking ways to improve. Embrace the challenge, knowing that each struggle, each obstacle overcome, strengthens your abilities. Visualize your success, feel the satisfaction of mastering each step. This positive reinforcement strengthens your neural pathways, making it easier to repeat the desired actions in the future. Remember, the quality of your practice directly impacts the quality of your results. Make each minute count. Every skill worth mastering comes with its own set of challenges and setbacks. Embrace these hurdles as opportunities for growth, not as roadblocks to success. Expect to make mistakes, to stumble and falter along the way. It's all part of the process. Instead of getting discouraged, view these setbacks through a lens of curiosity. Analyze your mistakes, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your approach accordingly. Each misstep offers valuable lessons, pushing you closer to mastery. Remember, even the most accomplished experts were once beginners. They too experienced frustration, setbacks, and moments of doubt. What sets them apart is their unwavering persistence, their ability to embrace the learning curve and emerge stronger on the other side. Embrace your journey, imperfections and all, knowing that each challenge overcome brings you one step closer to your goal. While independent practice is crucial, seeking guidance from those who have already walked the path can accelerate your progress. Mentors, coaches, or even online communities provide invaluable insights, feedback, and support along your journey. Don't be afraid to ask for help, to seek clarification when needed, or to learn from the experiences of others. A fresh perspective can often illuminate blind spots, revealing areas for improvement that you might have otherwise missed. Mentorship provides a sense of accountability, encouraging you to stay committed to your goals. It also offers a supportive environment where you can share your struggles, celebrate your victories, and learn from the collective wisdom of the group. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Seeking guidance from those further down the path can provide invaluable shortcuts and accelerate your progress. Feedback is the breakfast of champions. It provides valuable insights into your progress, highlighting areas of strength and areas that require further attention. Regularly seek feedback from mentors, peers, or even recordings of your practice sessions. Pay close attention to both positive and negative feedback, using it as a tool for growth. Don't shy away from constructive criticism. Embrace it as an opportunity to refine your skills and improve your performance. Equally important is self-reflection. At the end of each practice session, take a few moments to reflect on your performance. What went well? What could have gone better? What adjustments can you make in your next session to improve? This ongoing process of feedback and reflection ensures that you're constantly learning and evolving, maximizing your growth potential. The path to mastery is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to celebrate milestones along the way, to acknowledge your progress and appreciate how far you've come. These small victories serve as powerful motivators, reinforcing your commitment and fueling your passion. Break down your 100-hour journey into smaller milestones and reward yourself upon reaching each one. These rewards don't have to be extravagant. Even small gestures of self-care can go a long way in maintaining motivation and enthusiasm. Remember, the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process, the ups and downs, the challenges, and the triumphs. It's in these moments of struggle and perseverance that you discover your true potential. So enjoy the ride, savor the small wins, and never lose sight of the transformative power of consistent effort. The 100-hour rule isn't just about mastering new skills. It's about unlocking your hidden potential, about proving to yourself that you're capable of far more than you ever thought possible. It's about embracing the transformative power of focused effort and consistent action. By breaking down seemingly insurmountable tasks into manageable chunks, setting clear goals, and practicing with focused intention, you can achieve remarkable progress in any area of your life. Embrace the learning curve, seek guidance from mentors, and celebrate milestones along the way. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that first step today, commit to your 100-hour challenge, and watch as you unlock a world of possibilities, transforming your dreams into tangible realities. The power is within you. Now go make it happen. Visit our ebook store and learn to earn online. The link is in the description.